Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add the WhatsApp voice messages to videos using CapCut. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut app and tap on New Project to begin. Select the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once it's loaded, tap on the Audio option at the bottom of the screen, then select Sounds. At the top, tap the file icon and choose the Device option. You'll now see a list of audio files stored on your phone. Scroll through and look for files that start with AUD. These are usually WhatsApp voice messages that get saved automatically when you listen to them. Tap on one to preview it, and if it's the one you want, tap the plus icon to add it to your project. The voice message will now appear on your timeline. You can move it around or trim it as needed to fit your video. Once you're happy with everything, go ahead and export your video. And that's it! You've successfully added a WhatsApp voice message to your video using CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.